Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I could make Scooter a host and it would hold the live open, and it didn't obviously do that. So, and obviously I didn't have the redirect on the other one, so nobody knows what the freak's going on. Sorry about that. I thought it was going to hold it because I couldn't turn my camera on. My camera wouldn't let me turn on. Oh, what an entangled web. We'll wait a minute. Sorry, everybody. Sorry, that was an abrupt ending. I know. Hi, Chris Ray. Hi, Ran. It's the new live, but we gotta wait for everybody. Can anybody go back in the other chat and tell them we're here? Aurora, yeah, I don't know what happened. No, it wasn't that, Lisa. My camera wouldn't turn on, and I went to put Scooter as a host, thinking it would hold the meeting, because that's what I thought it did. Like when I lose electricity, and it didn't do that. It just ended the meeting abruptly. I don't know why. Sorry about that, everybody. Sorry. You can come back on in a little bit. I didn't mean to do that. That was a mistake. You're going to bed again, Lisa? You just got up. You said you just got up. Why are you going to bed again? That's not good. Okay. I don't see the rest of my vitamins. They're there. Yeah, that was crazy. Knocked everybody off. I thought I was going to come back on. Very weird. Vitamins. Vitamins. Oh, well, we're going to talk about Johnny Depp first. I hope Jeanette's here so she can freak out that it's day 11. Sorry, Jeanette. So today was kind of nothing earth-shattering. I mean, they tried to get the doorman to admit that he saw stuff on her. No, he didn't. Okay, so it was not a good day for Amber. He was testifying from his car. He really didn't want to be involved in it. We're going to go over this in a minute. No, it's not. Peridot. Yes, Allie V. I started trying. It's so bad. I just can't even believe that. Casey Rex. Oh, there's Casey Rex. You haven't been here in a long time, Casey Rex. What you been doing? I don't think you've been here since the day I got my vaccine, and you said you wanted to hear everything that went wrong. Hi, Petra B.
Nothing.
What?
But you didn't have to say anything. Nothing went wrong, right? It all was good, right? Yeah? Huh? Nothing went wrong, huh? Yeah?
I guess they aren't, Aurora. They don't know how to correctly count a trial. What can I say?
Okay, how you doing? You can have it.
Right. Hi, Tina Medley. And Johnny got caught passing a sketch today. And Elon Musk is not going to testify. So we saw this guy today. Testifying from his car. Okay, so here was Johnny drawing something else. What is this? Oh, breath mints. That looked like something strange when I first saw that. Breath mints. Breath mints. So, apparently, let's see. He was drawing these pink and purple things, and then he drew this woman on a post-it note featuring a doodle of a woman, although it's unclear at this time. The attorney takes out his eyeglasses to get a closer look, and Johnny whispers in the guy's ear. Apparently someone captured that, put it on TikTok, and that person has now 4 million views on their TikTok about that. Okay, and then there was the testimony that was recorded from LAPD Officer William Gatlin. And Officer Tyler Hayden said he saw no injuries on Heard, but conceded he never got close enough to her face to properly look at it. Amber had refused medical treatment when police officers responded to the LA penthouse that she and Johnny shared on May 21st of 2016, and one of the cops testified via pre-recorded deposition. Hayden, who recorded his testimony on March 11th of 2022, said he did not file a report but gave Amber Heard his business card. He did not take pictures of the scene. And Officer Tyler Hayden said Josh Drew, who's the ex-husband of Amber Heard's best friend, Raquel Rocky Pennington, was in the penthouse on May 21st of 2016 when he responded to the domestic disturbance call. And he has previously lived rent-free, this is Drew they're talking about, in one of Depp's other apartments. And he previously alleged in a deposition that Amber once had a threesome with Elon Musk and supermodel Cara Delevingne. Delavenge. I don't even know who that is. So then, the doorman who we showed up there a second ago was Romero. And Romero said he only met Depp a couple of times, but had never seen the actor be abusive or violent. He interacted more with Amber's sister and her friend, Raquel Pennington. I know you guys sent me papers to review, and I'll be honest, I don't want to review them because it's been so long. I didn't want to review them, he said. He recorded his testimony January 22nd of 2021. It's like, I don't want to deal with this anymore, which elicited a smile from Johnny Depp. Romero said he wasn't working on May 21st of 2016 when the cops were called to the penthouse. He previously provided a statement for the trial in the UK against the son that Johnny had, writing that he saw Elon Musk a few times a week late at night in 2015, and that the Tesla CEO would always visit when Mr. Depp was not at home from about 11 p.m. to midnight. And he said whenever he talked to Amber, she was like 3 feet away from him. She was right in front of me. I don't remember seeing any marks, bruises, or anything. He conceded that he still doesn't know if Heard was wearing makeup at the time, and said that Johnny Depp is most of the time real calm and a real happy person. Okay, and then let's see. Officer Tyler Hayden said Amber refused to speak to officers, had no signs of injuries, though she had been crying and was red-faced. Just because I see a female with pink cheeks and pink eyes doesn't mean something happened. Officer William Gatelin, who did follow-up call to the home, said he saw no injuries either, but he acknowledged he didn't get very close to Amber. And then Christian Carino, if you know him, it's Lady Gaga's ex-boyfriend. He was engaged to her, actually. And he's an agent at CAA, previously represented Johnny. A recorded deposition he gave about Johnny and Amber's relationship was played for the jury. And Amber only dated Elon Musk because she was filling space. Amber texted then agent Christian Carino of CAA in 2017 that she was sad over her split with Elon. I hate when things go public, she wrote. Carino responded, "You weren't in love with him. You told me 1,000 times you were just filling space." And then Laura Wasser, the celebrity divorce attorney who inspired Laura Dern's iconic character in the 2019 movie Marriage Story, is now giving testimony via pre-recorded deposition in the trial. She was subpoenaed and deposed on December 16th of 2020. She represented Johnny in his split from Amber, who filed for divorce from the actor in 2016. Some of her other high-profile clients include Angelina Jolie, Jennifer Garner, and Britney Spears. They're going after day, let's see, court adjourned for the day with Johnny Depp's divorce attorney, Laura Wasser, wrapping up her testimony. And again, Elon Musk is not going to testify. And let's see what else. Because my day, I didn't get to watch as much as I would like because it was auction day. So I'm trying to catch up with you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so we went over him. Talent agent Christian Carino said it was widely known that Johnny lost his role in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise because of Amber's allegations. He also said that he believed Amber wanted to reconcile with Johnny after filing for a restraining order. The divorce attorney Laura Wasser gave a short testimony. At one point, Johnny was pictured sketching in a notepad during the morning session. Court session started with recorded testimony from LAPD officer Tyler Hayden, one of the officers who was called to the penthouse. Police officer saw Amber seem reluctant to talk to officers. He said and showed no signs of having injuries, but told the court it looked like she had been crying and was red-faced. Just because I see a female with pink cheeks and pink eyes doesn't mean something happened. Johnny had already left the penthouse by the time the officers arrived, and they told the court they had no idea who Amber was or that she was married to Johnny Depp. William Gatlin, another officer who made a follow-up visit later that evening, again told the court he saw no injuries on Amber and acknowledged that his visit was brief and he got no closer than 10 feet. He said his check on the scene was short, as it appeared the call was just a duplicate to the one Mr. Hayden had responded to a couple of hours earlier, and asked if he knew who Johnny Depp was, he replied, I guess I liked a couple of his movies. I can't remember the last movie I saw of his. The court was shown his body cam footage of the call out, although Amber could only be seen at a distance. And again, the talent agent said he believes the abuse allegations against Johnny are what caused Disney to drop him from the upcoming 6 Pirates of the Caribbean. Asked if he was aware of problems caused by Johnny's drinking, taking drugs, or being late to set while filming the 5th Pirates film in Australia in 2015, Mr. Carino said, I'm aware of him being tardy, but he's been tardy on everything in his entire life. He said producers had learned to deal with this. Mr. Carino also told the jury that Amber had made attempts to reconcile with Johnny after she filed for divorce from the restraining order, once in 2016 and again in 2017. And he also talked about her relationship with Elon Musk. And let's see. To which he said, when she said she was upset, you told me 1,000 times you were just filling space. Mr. Carino told the court he no longer represents Johnny or Amber and is no longer friends with either of them, although he says he bears no animosity. So that was about it. I just I promised, I have to do something today too. We'll do it on the Lily Peters thing. Well, I should really do it in its own thing. Oh, I could do it in the Lily Peters thing, I guess. Or maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I don't know. Okay. All right, let me go back to where you guys are. All right, everybody. So what do you think? Those of you that were able to watch the whole thing today, because you didn't have an auction to deal with, did you see anything earth-shattering that I missed? Anybody? I guess Joe Rogan called her a crazy woman or something. Hi, Sandy Ellens. I don't find her lawyers very good. She's lost, in my opinion, big time, Nicole said. Oh. Linda Petrovich says Johnny is innocent. So many friends over the years have said he is compassionate, kind, and funny. Hi, little lady. The guy in his car, you just loved him? Taking x-rays for what? What were you taking x-rays for? I watched the whole thing since years ago when I had a car crash. You watched what whole thing? Oh, Scooter. Hi, whisper to me. To put my watch on the stand, on the stand, on the stand. Osteoporosis, really? Oh gosh. Now you're making me crack my back. So maybe I will tell you about, okay, so I'm in a bone density. Oh, that was the one you were going and I was teasing you that it hurt really bad or something. Since the divorce, the tapes, the divorce, the UK trial, okay, how much could you listen to that? We've got some time before Vegas. Tomorrow I'm supposed to work on my computer with that guy that Julie W. found. Well, she knows him. He's supposed to call me around 7 o'clock tomorrow night. But we'll see what happens. It's that we'll get the real verdict then about the laptop, whether it's a lost cause or it's able to be saved. I don't know. We'll see. A lot because I was a year on bed rest. Okay. Hi, DND. Scooter going to CrimeCon? No, she's not going to CrimeCon. Yes, it's one of those shirts. It's another one of those shirts. Yep. Another one. Okay. We'll be hoping computer can be salvaged. Yeah, I hope so. I don't know. I was talking to him a little bit and he was asking me a bunch of questions. I think it's something that's so messed up with the Microsoft like login something or other. I don't know what it is. It's just so... I want to scream because I think it's going to mess something. But everything's messed. So that's it. All right. What time is it? So I said we've got a half an hour. I'm going to go over something else, okay? Because I have a group that I belong to. It's mothers who have lost sons. And today I met this woman in there who said that it was justice for her son today. She is actually from Ireland. And when she was helping a terminally ill relative, her then boyfriend killed her 11-month-old son. And today he pled guilty. So they were going to go to trial, but he pled guilty today. And he was sentenced to life in prison, but they're going to wait to let the family get their, I guess, to do the formal sentencing or something, to let their family get their victims' impact statements. And so I'm going to tell, let me see. Some of you in Ireland may know this story, okay? May know this case. Let me hold on a minute. Let me go in here.
Please be seated.
Okay, let me try to get to this because I want to see. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, so let me get the killers. This guy's name. I wonder if Carol Lucy, because she's in Ireland, might know this guy. Hold on a minute. Sharyar. So. So this is her little boy that was killed. So it says, a grieving mother wept in court as her former boyfriend was handed a life sentence after he admitted murdering her infant son. Sharyar Ali, 34 years old, was due to go on trial at Newry Crown Court for the murder of 11-month-old Hunter Patrick McLennan. But following legal discussions, the murder charge was put to the Pakistani national again. Ali said guilty when the court clerk put the charge to him. Mr. Justice McFarland told the killer there is only one sentence permitted in law for murder, and that is life imprisonment. Remanding Ali back into custody, the judge adjourned the case to June 15 to allow Hunter's grieving family to make victims' impact statements and for probation to complete a pre-sentence report. While Ali, with an address at Westerna Terrace in Monaghan, admitted murdering Hunter on November 26, 2019, prosecuting attorney Richard Weir asked for a second charge of causing actual bodily harm to infant on a date unknown between the 24th to the 27th of November to be on the books. None of the facts were heard in open court, but previously, the court heard how Hunter died as a result of non-accidental injuries to his head and abdomen. A prosecuting lawyer told an earlier court that Ali was looking after Hunter at a property in Keady County while the boy's mother was with her relative. Ali, who had been in a relationship with Hunter's mother for about a year, claimed the infant had fallen off a low sofa and struck his head on a concrete floor, further claiming to detectives that he had performed CPR and even put Hunter in a cold shower to try to revive him. Okay, and what he did, he never called for help. Okay, and he drove the baby, to meet them in a car seat. Like, here, I'll read this here. He took the infant while his girlfriend went to see her terminally ill grandmother. When he returned the boy the next day, he said that he couldn't breathe. And when the family raced to the car to check on the baby was cold to the touch. He at no time sought any medical attention for the child. And so he acknowledged killing Hunter on November 26, 2019, and the prosecutor requested that a second charge of causing actually bodily injury on an unknown date between November 24th and 27 be left on the books. But today he pled guilty, so they don't have to go to trial. And you know, it's very sad. Sad thing. And this is the guy who killed. Here's another little picture of the little boy that he killed, Hunter. And that's the guy that killed him right there. And so that was really sad. And she wrote, "Today is the day I finally got my justice for my son Hunter, who was murdered by this dirty monster, Sharia Ali, in 2019. He finally pleaded guilty after 2 years and 5 whole months." Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to bring that out because she's in the group. A lot of people in this group have cases where their sons were killed of all ages. And just thought I'd bring that to you, and then I guess we will go. No, I didn't know. It wasn't his son, from what I can know. Okay, so it is 2:03. I think I'm going to change the other live, the time, and go to that early. Hold on, let me go in here. So I'm going to go to it early and just do let's do 2 o'clock. Okay, and I'm going to let you go. We're going to go to talk about Lily Peters because there's a lot to talk about over there. And this stream, it'll bring you over there.